I'm interested in like robotics, science, technology, all that stuff, because I'd like to learn more about it.
This group of kids is ages 12 to 14 from a range of different schools.
Problem. It's probably an extension. No, but look, because
This is a STEAM camp, so science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So we wanted to make sure that we were kind of covering all of those areas to some extent. So they're getting a sample of working with electricity. We did a lot of basic sort of flight activities, some engineering construction projects, and then we're doing some coding. And so we're trying to bring a lot of those skills together and then also include some arts. All of those activities that were sort of vehicles for practicing the design thinking skills of like identifying a problem, testing something out and seeing what's working and what's not working, and then making modifications to your build in order to make it work. And so I think those are sort of the key skills that'll be most useful in the future in whatever field they decide to go into. So it kind of gives them samples of where they could go, but it's mostly just practicing those communication as well as design thinking skills.
So all the stuff we're doing in these camps allows these kids to get a hands-on experience of what STEM and STEAM has to offer. It gets them interested in science and technology. It gets them, awakens their mind, so to say, of being able to learn about these things and see where they could get taken in life by all these opportunities.
I'm thinking about maybe becoming an engineer when I grow up.
Engineering's pretty fun and science is cool.
It's just fun and interesting.
The Youth Academy is pretty new, so not too many people are aware of the programs that they're running here at the college, and there's a few other camps as well, and they're all pretty amazing, and I think it's going to be sort of a growing program that hopefully more and more students will get to take advantage of.
Yeah, and I want to be part of that, like make inventions like Nikola Tesla did. So, yeah.